Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the hot new release from Insta360, the X5, their latest 8K 360 action camera. Priced at $550, it's a step up from last year's Insta360 X4, which launched at $500. If you're wondering what's new, what's improved, and whether it's worth upgrading, you're in the right place. This is our full comparison of the Insta360 X5 versus the Insta360 X4, so grab a snack, settle in, and let's break it down. Insta360 has been dominating the 360 camera space with versatile, user-friendly devices that capture everything around you. The X4 was a fan favorite for its compact design, 8K video, and creative shooting modes. Now, the X5 promises bigger sensors, better low-light performance, and a host of hardware upgrades. But are these changes enough to justify the $50 price bump or an upgrade from the X4? Let's explore the key improvements. One of the headline upgrades on the X5 is its larger 1x1.2 8-inch sensor compared to the X4's 1x2-inch sensor. This might sound like a small change, but it's a big deal for image quality. The larger sensor captures more light, which means more detail and better performance in challenging conditions. In practical terms, this translates to sharper footage, especially in low-light settings. If you've ever filmed with a 360 camera at dusk or in a dimly lit venue, you know how details can get muddy and grainy. The X5 sensor, paired with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, reduces those issues significantly. It's not going to rival a high-end smartphone's low-light capabilities, but it's a noticeable step up from the X4, where low-light footage often felt unusable without heavy editing. Speaking of low-light, the X5 introduces a new pure video mode, designed specifically to tackle dim environments. This mode uses AI-powered noise reduction and dynamic range optimization to produce clearer, brighter footage. In my hands-on testing, pure video made a real difference. Low-light clips went from barely watchable to pretty decent. It's not flawless. Sometimes the noise reduction can be a bit aggressive, and there's still a slight vibration after effect if you're moving while filming. But compared to the X4, which struggled in similar conditions, the X5 is a clear winner. For creators who shoot at events, concerts, or during evening adventures, this is a game changer. The X4's low-light footage often required heavy post-processing to look good, but the X5's pure video mode gets you closer to shareable results straight out of the camera. Under the hood, the X5 packs a 5nm AI chip and 2 imaging chips, a significant upgrade from the X4's processing setup. This chip array doesn't just improve image quality, it also speeds things up. On-device processing, like rendering 360 videos, feels snappier, and transferring files to your smartphone is noticeably faster. For example, saving several short clips to my phone took about 30 seconds on the X5 compared to a couple of minutes on the X4. This might not sound like a huge deal, but if you're constantly filming and editing on the go, those seconds add up. The X5 also supports active HDR at up to 5.7K 60 FPS, which delivers more vibrant colors and better contrast than the X4's HDR capabilities. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action or colorful landscapes, the X5's processing power keeps things smooth and efficient. While the X5 doesn't offer higher resolution than the X4's 8K video, it introduces new shooting options that make it more versatile. My favorite is Insta which records a flat video and a 360-degree video simultaneously. This means you can share a ready-to-post clip without reframing or editing, which is perfect for quick social media posts. The X4 had similar creative modes, but Insta on the X5 feels more polished and intuitive. Plus, a recent firmware update added 4K 60 FPS recording in single-lens mode, giving you more flexibility for traditional-style shots. The X5's companion app has also been refined, with improved editing tools that make it easy to reframe 360 footage or focus on specific subjects. If you found the X4's app intuitive, you'll love the X5's streamlined workflow. At first glance, the Insta360 X5 and X4 look nearly identical, but the X5 boasts several thoughtful hardware upgrades that enhance durability and usability. It features scratch-resistant, replaceable glass lenses, so minor dings won't ruin your shots. The battery is larger, lasting up to 180 minutes compared to the X4's 135 minutes, and it charges from 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. The X5 maintains the X4's IP68 waterproofing up to 49 feet, but with improved sealing for added reliability. A new steel mesh wind guard reduces wind noise for clearer audio, a subtle but welcome improvement over the X4's microphone setup. The X5 also introduces a magnetic mounting system for easier attachment to accessories or surfaces, and a fun twist-to-shoot feature lets you start recording by twisting a connected selfie stick. While the X5 retains the X4's threaded mount for compatibility with existing Insta360 selfie sticks, it requires new fast chargers and cases due to hardware changes, which could be a minor inconvenience for X4 owners upgrading. Design-wise, the X5 is a near twin to the X4, with the same compact, rugged build. Insta360 added a polygon effect on the front panel and a grippy texture on the sides, making the X5 feel slightly more premium. The battery and microSD compartments are secured with a double latch and sliding locks, just like the X4, ensuring they stay protected in tough conditions. Navigation remains smartphone-like, with swipeable menus for settings, gallery, and manual controls. If you're familiar with the X4, you'll feel right at home with the X5. The bullet time effect, a signature Insta360 feature, is still here and works with the right peripherals, letting you create those epic spinning shots. So, is the Insta360 X5 worth the upgrade from the X4? It depends on your needs. The X5's bigger sensor, pure video mode, and faster processing make it a better choice for low-light shooting and quick workflows. The new shooting modes, like Instaframe, and hardware upgrades, like the longer-lasting battery and magnetic mounts, add versatility and convenience. If you frequently shoot in dim conditions or want the latest creative tools, the X5 is a worthwhile investment. The $550 price tag or $660 for the Essentials bundle with extra accessories is reasonable for the improvements, especially if you're starting fresh. However, if you're happy with the X4's performance and mostly shoot in well-lit environments, you might not need the upgrade just yet. The X4 is still a fantastic camera, and the X5's changes are evolutionary, not revolutionary. The Insta360 X5 builds on the X4's strengths, delivering better low-light performance, faster processing, and smarter hardware. It's a step forward for 360 cameras, making it easier to capture and share stunning footage. Whether you're a vlogger, adventurer, or content creator, the X5 offers tools to elevate your game. What do you think? Are you grabbing the X5, sticking with the X4, or still on the fence? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you want to see next. If you found this comparison helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.